right away, we have to bring in Chris, who's one member of the family. Gyros or gyros?
Heroes.
So when people come through the drive-thru, or people come in here and say, "I'd like a gyro," that happens a lot, probably, right?
Right. I just humor them a little bit. Just no problem. You got it.
But seriously, you've learned only on Real Milwaukee, say it gyros. Otherwise, they make fun of you when you leave. Right? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. This is Oakland Gyros, a place that's been around for how long?
26 years.
26 years, and the original location is on Oakland.
On Oakland Avenue. Yeah, we're here. We have our Oakland Avenue location and 6th Street in Layton down here by the airport.
Now, the cool part about this story is not just the 2 locations. They've expanded. It's a good local business. But the family part of this blows my mind.
Oh, yeah. Everybody's involved.
Can we blow everybody's mind at home?
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
yeah,
let's meet the family. This is the family parade. Okay? Introduce everybody as they're coming by. Okay, come on.
Basil.
Come on.
His son Yanni.
Hello, Hazel.
Hey, come on in. Come on in.
All right. My father.
Oh yeah, keep
John.
moving. Keep moving this way.
My brother Yanula.
Okay.
My brother Tony.
Okay.
My sister Xenia Maria and her daughter Velina.
Okay.
My wife Eleni. My father-in-law John. Peter from Greece. All right.
Hello.
And now all of these guys are all involved in the business, right?
Oh yeah.
Come on over here.
Yeah, we all work together. We take a lot of pride working together. We found a good rhythm, working and finding a good working relationship. Sometimes it's difficult with families, but we found a good symbiotic relationship together. Everybody just works so good.
Who's the troublemaker in the family? Who's the
Dad, right back here.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
And now how is it possible to keep all of this organized and keep everybody together?
Well, with hard work from the beginning and continuously good work for everybody to satisfy the customers and make them happy.
See, now when you start out with a foundation like that, how could you possibly fail? And Mom has all of the recipes, right? Everything is your recipe here. Most of everything is your recipes, yes?
Yes.
And you have, where are those recipes kept?
I don't know.
In your head?
On my head.
Can you share any of those with me before we leave so I can make your food at home, maybe?
Think about it.
Okay, well, you think about it.
Yeah.
You think about it. Okay, now when you guys all get involved, you got little ones that are they working already?
Yanni has started working some Saturdays.
Now, what do you do? What do you do?
I put some money in the cash register.
Oh, so what's good is the money's going into the cash register and you're not taking it. You're not taking the money, right?
No.
No? Okay. Well, of course the family, but of course there's food, and we're going to get to that coming up. In fact, we've laid out the smorgasbord, and we're going to try some of this. We're going to look at this. We're going to make some of it. You're going to see how a gyro's made, and this thing right here, the spinach pie, which I don't know how I am not digging into this yet, but that's coming up in a little bit.
Thanks a lot,
Mr. President,
Tony.
stop by and have some.
There you go.
Yeah. Tony, do this for me. See if you can score the menu for the agua limino soup.
Oh.
The agua what?
Limino soup.
Oh, the what?
Agua limino?
Yes, that's what she said. I wanted to say it the right way. She wants the recipe. Cassandra does. So if we can,
Or a bucket of soup.
we'll see what we can do.
Thanks, Tony.
A lifetime supply, right?
Yeah.
Thanks.